Okay, ang ating second.
Our second runner-up.
But before that, may we ask
The intelligence of our stage person, and of course our brother captain, Ron Ignacio.
Wala. Ayun.
And of course our board of judges, Judge Sheila J. Bowden.
Ha? Sino tinawag mo?
Judge Sheila J. Bowden. Okay! Our second runner-up goes to, in male category, contestant number 1.
Oh yeah, gusto mo ka tayo. Congratulations once again, contestant number 1. You are our second runner-up.
Akala ko strawberry na partner, kasi maraming sa akin si Alvin Richard.
Okay, and of course, other female category. Female category. Basta sabay ka na.
Is no other than candidate number
Candidate number
2!
2. Congratulations.
Congratulations, candidate number 2.
We ask once again the indulgence of moving next to our first runner-up.
Mas excited pa yung champion na ito. Okay, yung Mr. Okay. So,
First runner-up.
our first runner-up! Sino kaya sa kanila?
Who's your bet? Okay. Ang ating first runner-up under male category is contestant number
Contestant number 4!
Congratulations. And to keep the such, we
Judge Marcel, and of course our stage person and Barabi captain.
and of course, Judge CJ Sanford. Sino kaya ang maguling ng tataw? Congratulations!
Dahil ako tumayo ko, ano ba hindi pa natatawa? Okay. So yung pa ko hindi pa natatawa? Ayan. Nararamdaman niyo na ba?
Okay, sino kaya ang tataw ni Mr. Trashen Show?
Our Mr. Russian Show 2024 is no other than
Contestant number
4! Congratulations! Contestant number 5.
May we ask the notice the chairman of the board of judges. So,
Ashaya Pamibola and Judge Crystal Napoleon to join us here, and of course our stage person, Emily Captain, Ron Ignacio.
congratulations once again to our Mr. Trashen Show.
And of course, kasama rin po ang official calculators mo.
Ayun.
Ito naman nahihirapan pa talaga sa pag-comment, no?
Please join them. Ayan. Isang hour na lang. And of course,
Rush